So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vince Tutorial. So, for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano yung input function.
Input function is a simple way for our program to get information from people using your program. So to get information from other users, so just like this, type input, and inside of the input you can type any question or anong gusto mong ita-type or ilalagay ng user mo dyan. So ang akin is what is your name. So naglagay ako ng what is your name para pag print natin yan is what is your name yung lalagay. So print natin, ay run natin ating program. So what is your name? So I type Vince. So walang result kasi di pa natin siya piniprint. So kailangan muna natin ipiprint siya. So para ma-print siya, lagyan mo siya ng variable. So name equals input what is your name. So name ang ating variable para pag print natin, yung ating tatawagin na variable is name na lang. So ma-print na yung what is your name. So I put string hello para greetings. So hello name. So tinawag ko yung variable. So lalabas yung what is your name pag i-print na. Ipinaraan natin yung program. So ayan, what is your name. So I put Vince. So the output is hello Vince. So yan lang kasimple kung paano magkuha ng information sa ibang user. Input function. So another example, address. So pwede kang maglagay ng kahit ilang input dyan sa iyong program, basta mayroong input na function is makakakuha ka na ng information galing sa user. So I try to put another. So address input, where are you from? So I ask, where are you from? So anything or any question do you want, pwede dito sa ating Python language. So I try to put another question, input. So naglagay ako ng input age, tsaka age yung variable ko para madali nating matukoy. Age input, how old are you? So I try to put question mark because nagtatanong tayo. So para ma-output tayo is ipiprint natin yung ating mga variable. So print, I put print string I am from, comma, then address. So next natin na ipiprint is yung age na variable. So I put string here. So I am, comma. So tatawagin natin yung age na variable, age, and I put last string here na old. So pag pinaran natin yung ating program is medyo formal yung ating result. So like this, what is your name? So I put Vince. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. How old are you? I'm 23. So ayan, yan yung output natin. Hello Vince, I'm from Philippines. I'm 23 old. Ganyan lang kasimple guys kung magkuha ng information from other user. So input function.